So today we're going to be looking at the Lexar 128GB E-Series Plus micro SD card. We're going to do a quick overview of this card, then I'm going to plug the card into my USB 3.0 adapter here. We'll plug it into my computer and give you a real-world speed test so you can see what kind of speeds you might expect from this card. So again, what we've got here is the Lexar 128GB E-Series Plus micro SD card. The card is a black and red color with an SD card adapter. If you have devices that use a regular SD card, you can put the micro SD card in there and use it for those devices as well. Again, this is the E-Series Plus, and it says it has read speeds of up to 160 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second. Now the classes on this card are Class 10 V30, A2, U3, and it can do 4K UHD. On the back here, it says it is a premium memory solution for smartphones, tablets, and action cameras. Let's go ahead and open this up. So there's the micro SD card itself. You can see it's black and red on the one side and it's black on the other side. Now if you do want to use this SD card adapter, the micro SD card just slides in the slot here on the end just like that, and now you can use this card in a standard SD card slot, and when you're done doing that you can pull it right out and use it in the micro SD card slot. Now let's go ahead and put this right into my SD card adapter here. It's USB 3.0, and we'll run that real world speed test on my computer so you can see what kind of speeds you might expect. Alright, so I've got the micro SD card plugged into my Windows 11 computer here. It's the D drive, which is 118 gigabytes is what I have here. And we're going to go ahead and run this speed test, and then I'll come back to you when the results are complete. So the speed test is complete, and again, this is with my USB 3 micro SD card adapter. I'm not going to go through all of these, so you can pause it here if you want to take a closer look. But as for the read speed, I got 98.37 megabytes per second, and the write speed, I got 85.83 megabytes per second, which is a great speed for writing, especially if you want to use this card for photography or especially video work. This is great to have a high write speed. And again, this is the Lexar 128GB E-Series Plus micro SD card. So if this video did help you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.